Stuck with a Jeep Wrangler that just won't turn over? Let's break down the most common reasons. You might be surprised how simple the fix could be. First, check your battery. If you hear clicking or nothing at all when you turn the key, the battery might be dead or weak. Look for corroded terminals or loose cables too. Next, check your fuel. It sounds simple, but sometimes the tank is empty or the fuel pump isn't working. Listen for a humming noise from the back when you turn the key. That means your fuel pump is running. Still no luck? The starter could be the problem. If you hear a single click, your starter motor might be stuck. Also, consider your ignition switch. If your dashboard lights don't come on, the ignition switch or key fob battery could be to blame. Finally, don't forget fuses and relays. A blown fuse or bad relay can stop your Jeep from starting. Check your owner's manual for their location. If you've checked all these, and your Wrangler still won't start, it's time to call a professional. Remember, safety first. Never try to jumpstart or repair something you're not sure about. Stay safe, and good luck getting back on the road.